Welcome back to my channel. I explore the beauty of wood and nature through art. Today, I'm excited to share my latest project, creating stunning wooden animal art pieces that bring a touch of the wild into our homes. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this project is perfect for you. Why wooden animal art? Wooden animal art not only celebrates the beauty of wildlife but also adds a rustic charm to any space. Each piece tells a story, connecting us to nature and evoking memories of outdoor adventures. Plus, working with wood is a therapeutic and rewarding experience. Materials you'll need. Before we dive in, here's a quick list of materials you'll need for this project. Wood: choose from plywood, pine, or reclaimed wood. Tools: jigsaw or scroll saw, sander, hand or power, drill. For hanging, design templates, vintage animal illustrations, which you can find online. Transfer medium, carbon paper or graphite paper. Paints and finishes, acrylic paints, wood stains, and varnish. Step-by-step guide. Choose your design. Start by picking a vintage animal illustration that resonates with you. Think about the animals that inspire you, perhaps a majestic owl or a playful fox. You can find many free templates online. Prepare the wood. Cut your wood into the desired shape and size. Sand the edges and surface to ensure a smooth finish. This step is crucial for a polished look and to avoid splinters. Transfer the design. Place your printed design on the wood and trace it using carbon paper. This will give you a clear outline to work from. Take your time to ensure accuracy, cutting the shape. Using a jigsaw or scroll saw, carefully cut out the animal shape. If you're new to this, practice on scrap wood first to get comfortable with the tool. Painting and finishing touches. Now comes the fun part. Paint your animal using acrylic paints or wood stains. For a vintage feel, opt for muted colors. You can also use a dry brush technique for added Overcoming challenges, not every project went smoothly. I faced setbacks, like splintering wood or design failures. However, these challenges fueled my determination. I sought advice from online communities and local artisans, and their support helped me refine my skills. Finding inspiration came from various sources: nature walks, vintage illustrations, and even online forums dedicated to woodworking. I began to document my progress on social media, sharing photos of my creations and connecting with fellow artists. This community became a vital part of my journey, providing encouragement and new ideas. The creative process, creating wooden animal art, became a meditative process for me. I would often find myself lost in the rhythm of sanding, painting, and assembling. Each piece told a story, whether it was a whimsical fox or a noble stag. I enjoyed incorporating personal touches, like using wood from local trees or adding meaningful symbols, showcasing my work. Eventually, I decided to showcase my art at local craft fairs. The feedback was overwhelmingly positive, and it was gratifying to see people connect with my creations. I realized that wooden animal art resonated with many who share a love for nature and craftsmanship. Future aspirations: as I continue my journey, I'm excited to explore new techniques, like wood burning and mixed media. I hope to create larger installations that tell stories about wildlife conservation and the beauty of nature. Surface finishing: understanding surface finishing was crucial. I experimented with various stains and paints to achieve the vintage look I loved. Techniques included layering colors, using multiple layers to create depth and richness, distressing techniques, sanding edges and using glaze to give my pieces an aged appearance, texturing and detailing. Adding texture became a key part of my artistic style. I started using tools like chisels and wood burners to add details. Wood burning: this allowed me to create intricate patterns and textures, enhancing the visual appeal of my animal art. Carving details: learning to carve finer details, like fur or feathers, brought my pieces to life. The creative process: inspiration gathering: inspiration often struck during nature walks. Observing animals in their natural habitats helped me capture their essence in my art. I began keeping a sketchbook to jot down ideas, sketches, and color palettes. Design development: I would start with rough sketches, moving to more refined designs. Digital tools helped me visualize my ideas, allowing for adjustments before I committed to cutting wood. Iterative creation: each piece became an iterative process, starting with the initial design, creating a prototype, and refining it based on what I learned. This approach not only improved my skills but also made each piece unique. Community engagement: Online communities, joining online forums and social media groups dedicated to woodworking and art provided invaluable support. Sharing my work and receiving feedback helped me grow and try new techniques. I connected with other artists who inspired me, learned from their experiences, and even collaborated on projects, workshops and classes. Attending workshops expanded my skill set. Learning from experienced artisans about advanced techniques and tools was a game changer. I also started hosting small workshops, sharing my knowledge with beginners and fostering a sense of community.